All right, the first Boeing 787 manufactured in our state took to the big skies for a test flight yesterday. The plane that was rolled out at Boeing's North Charleston plant last month has already been bought by Air India. You see it taking off there. It's the first plane manufactured at the $750 million assembly plant. By the end of this year, the company plans to have 4 planes completed. And today, Boeing will make a stop here in Columbia. It's part of their Building Dreams tour of a scale model of their 787 aircraft. They'll be at the State House in the morning from 10 until 2. All residents of the Midlands, of course, invited to sign the model and pose for pictures with it.
Also at the State House, an unusual sight today. The 787 Boeing model fin was in town as a part of Boeing's Building Dreams tour. The 13-foot model is only 1/3 the size of the actual fin. It's been signed by people all across the state. The North Charleston-based plant wanted to thank South Carolinians for all of their support.
There is awesome pride in our workforce. Yesterday when that first plane took off, you could just feel the excitement, the emotion in our workforce. They have poured their heart and soul into this airplane, and they are so happy to finally see it flying.
Well, the model you see there is now back in North Charleston tonight. It's going to be displayed at the Boeing plant.